Again, so yung Team 2, sila yung tatalon sa base. Dapat hindi matouch ang kahit anong parte ng katawan nila, yung kung ano yung level na ng base. Huh? Hi, I am Ian Kenneth Timonterde and welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, I'm Ayan and I'm on my way now to my cousin's house to vlog one of our requirements for the third exam in GPE 3, and I need my cousins since we're going to play the Luksong Tinik, one of the games in the Larong Lahi or the Philippine Indigenous Games. So I will be right back after I travel. Bye bye. Hi guys, now I finally arrived at my cousin's house. So I'll just check if my cousins are here and if they are available. Yes, I'm doing a vlog. So, bad news. Wala pa ang aking mga pinsan. Oh. So, we're going to discuss na lang first, what are the rules in playing rules? What are the rules in playing the Luksong Tinik? So, we need two teams, Team 1 and Team 2. After that, we will decide sino yung unang maglalaro. When I say maglalaro, sila yung tatalon sa... Bad news, wala pa ang aking mga wala.
A few moments later.
Bad news, wala pa ang aking mga pinsan, so we will discuss first na lang kung ano yung mga rules pag naglalaro ng Luksong Tinik. First, we need to have two teams. We have Team 1 and Team 2. Either of the two will be the base in the game. When I say base, ibig sabihin nun is sila yung parang magiging tinik sa laro. And the other team will be the one to jump in the base. Kung yung isang team ay yung base, yung isa namang team, sila yung tatalon sa base. So dapat, ang goal lang ng kabilang team na tatalon sa base, dapat hindi masagi ng kahit anong parte ng katawan nila kung ano man yung meron sa base. So, each level, tataas yung base natin. So, ganito. So, mas advantage pag mga lalaki yung nasa base kasi mas mataas yung kamay nila, di ba?
Nani? Omae wa mou shindeiru.
Mas mataas. So, mas mahirap.
2 hours later.
So, nandito na yung dalawang pinsan ko. Dalawang pinsan na lalaki at isang pinsan na babae. Actually, tatlo sila na lalaki kaso not available yung isa kaya sub yung isang pinsan ko na babae. So, before we start, I want them to I want them to introduce. Alright, let me introduce them to you first. So, let's go. Tada! So, before we start, so let's have first kung sino yung magka-team. So, we will do the maibataya. So, alam niyo naman siguro yung maibataya. So, yung Bisaya, anong tawag ng maibataya sa Bisaya? Kumpiang bayayang makulog mahayang. Tama, uy, di ba?
Sige ka na nga.
Bawal yung maibataya.
Chinelas
So,
na lang.
we will have dalawang leader. So, ang dalawang leader ng team ay si Kirby at saka si Marvin. So, pick-pack boom. Pick-pack boom. Ready?
Ready?
Ready? One, two, ready, go!
Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Oh. Sino ang pinipili mong kapartner? So, it's me. To decide whether sino yung unang tatalon at sino yung unang magiging base, so they will have again the bato-bato pick. Go!
Bato, pamil. Bato, pamil. Down.
So, we will be the one to do the talon-talon first. And the other team, Marvin's team, will be the base. So, before we start, so explain ko muna yung mechanics. So, kami yung unang tatalon sa base. So, ito yung base natin. So, we have Marvin at saka Maxine. So, upo. Hindi ko. Lingkod ba? So, they are the base. So, ang first level natin sa Luksong Tinik is they will just ganito.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
Paa nila ganito, like this. Tapos, every level, madadagdagan ng isang kamay. Ganito. So, every time natatalon yung mga players, if it is successful, madadagdagan ng isang ganito. Kunwari ganito, si Marvin magdadagdag ng isang kamay, then it is alternate. After ni Marvin, si Maxine na naman, tapos si Marvin, Maxine, hanggang sa occupied na yung used na yung dalawang kamay nila. So, ang idadagdag naman dito is chinelas. For example, nagamit na yung dalawang kamay nila, so dadagdagan ng isang slipper. Dito, iipit nila. Then, another na naman ganito. So, that's it. That's the rules in playing Luksong Tinik. And now, we will go to start. So, di ko na yun kayang talunin. So, I have Kirby to save me from this game. If ever kaya ni Kirby, so we will be the winner of this game. Kirby needs to jump one more time so that I will be safe from this game. If Kirby will be able to jump this level, will be the winner of this game. And that's how you play the Luksong Tinik, one of the games in the Philippine indigenous games or the Larong Lahi here in our country. So that's it. I'm Ayan Kanatin and here are my co-players, my cousins. I would like to thank them, Marvin, Maxine, and Kirby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.